Hi, good morning everybody. My name is Dr. Chris Sigler. I'm here at SPT Medical today, and we're just going to show you a little bit about audiometry. So this is an audiometer, and today we'll be doing an audiometric test on J to assess hearing. These are the headphones that we use. So the main thing is the red goes on the right side. So we're going to put this onto the patient. So Jay, you can just put that on. Yeah, this is the patient monitor. The patient is going to be clicking this every time she hears a beep. Right, we hold on to that. Good. So we'll be using the audiometer, and every time she hears a beep, she's going to click on the hand, and it's going to register on our computer. So if you come across here, you'll see this is what the graph will show, and every time the patient clicks, it's going to show you the decibel level that they've heard it at and the frequency. Okay, thank you so very much for choosing SPT Medical, and we have our care certified audiometry available as well. Have a good day. Bye-bye.